The open road is calling. Are you ready to answer? There's something undeniably liberating about a road trip. It's not just the destination that matters, but every unexpected detour, every small town diner, and every breathtaking overlook along the way. Whether you're cruising solo, adventuring with friends, or setting off with the family, the key to a smooth journey lies in a bit of planning, and a lot of smart packing. Let's start with the car. Before any trip, make sure your vehicle is road ready. Check the oil, brakes, and tire pressure. Pack a basic emergency kit including jumper cables, a flashlight, and a first aid box. Comfort matters too. Neck pillows, reusable water bottles, and window shades can make a world of difference. Now, think about your tech essentials. A reliable phone mount, USB chargers, and a strong playlist or downloaded podcasts are must-haves. Apps like Waze or Road Trippers can guide you through traffic and show you quirky stops or scenic byways worth exploring. Offline maps can also be lifesavers when cell signals drop in remote areas. When it comes to planning, don't just map your route, break it into experiences. Plot out key points of interest, but leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best memories happen when you take the road less traveled. Look out for national parks, local festivals, or odd roadside attractions like giant statues or vintage gas stations. Snacks? Absolutely essential. Go for a mix of healthy options and a few indulgent treats. Cooler bags and refillable containers help you avoid constant gas station stops. Finally, pack with comfort in mind. Dress in layers, bring a cozy blanket, and always have sunglasses within reach. Your goal is to make the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. So, what are your must-have items or favorite routes when you hit the road?